What's up guys, welcome back to the channel. It's your boy Artie. We're back with my BMW M3 project car. We're gonna take off the wheels and fully clean them from the inside and out. I'm gonna show you the products I use, the sponge I use, and how to properly clean your wheels. So let's get right into the project. Alright guys, so we took off the wheel from the BMW and the outside of the wheel looks pretty clean, to be honest with you. But the problem is that the brake dust and all of the bad stuff end up on the inside of the rim. And one time a year I suggest taking off the wheel and give it a good scrub. Now the products that I'm going to use is a regular sponge that you use to clean dishes inside of the house. I like using this because it's double-sided, and for the severe dirt that's piled up on the inside of the rim, you could use the rough side. I'm going to use the Mother's wheel cleaner, and I'll show you guys when you spray it what happens to the dirt. And a regular microfiber towel. Now this is a very cheap and easy way to clean your wheels, so let's get the process going and see how it's going to look at the end of the video. Alright, so I sprayed the wheel with the wheel and tire cleaner right after I rinsed the wheel inside and out. So now all the brake dust is gone. Now I'm letting the wheel cleaner set off and like turn its color and do its magic. What I'm going to do is I'm going to scrub it a little bit to help it. And let's wait on that. So I did 2 washes, 2 times sprayed the Mother's cleaner, and it actually did an amazing job. It cleaned 99% of whatever was built up on the inside of this rim. I'm going to give it a final rinse on the inside, then I'm going to go over it with a microfiber towel. I'm going to fully clean it, and then I'm going to start with the outside of the wheel. But I think the overall results look great. I don't think this car has been washed the inside of the wheels for a very long time. It's a 1997 BMW M3 and it was filthy dirty, but I think overall we got great results for only cleaning this the first time. The more often I do this, the better it's gonna look, and I could also do other different types of treatments on this wheel, but this was a really cheap and good option that I picked up at my local Advanced Auto Parts. So now I'm gonna get on the exterior of the rim and then I'll show you the final results. Alright guys, so I finished washing the wheel inside and out. I did 2 washes on the inside and 1 on the outside, and I think this wheel looks amazing. Besides the fact that it has a little bit of curb damage, we can't do that with a Mother's spray, but the product was great. It's very cheap. I think everything all together I spent under 10 bucks, and I'm not complaining at all. I think this looks great. I'm going to slap it back on the BMW and take this bad boy out for a ride. If you're new to the channel, consider subscribing. Thanks again for watching another video by Artie's Garage. I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace.